going to bring on each of our mods. I want them to take a couple minutes, and I want them to go over their trades today. Let's bring on Jessica Woodard. Hello.
Hello.
Let's bring on Christopher Toner.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. And Shy Martin. Shy, you ready? Excellent. Good day.
Hello.
Hello. Let's get into it. First up, Jess, tell me about your trade today.
Yeah, so this morning in pre-market, I published my list of things that I was watching today, and Airbnb was one of them. I told members that I wanted to see a pullback on Airbnb to the close of Friday, which is, I'm going to pull this up on my screen, and it's not loading for whatever reason, so sorry. Okay, 126 was what I was looking for this morning. We got that pullback right off of the bell, and it held. I entered the trade long there with a stop at 125. If that level broke, then I was going to exit my trade. But the level held, and it pushed all morning. So I took a piece of profit in front of the high of the day this morning up there at 126.92. And then I took my second take profit through the high of day at 128.13. And then I took my third take profit in front of 130 resistance. I took that profit at 129.20. And then my final take profit, because the overall market pulled back and Airbnb followed the market, I took that final profit off at 126.87.
That is awesome. And the options did really well too on this.
Yeah, members were telling me they went from like 260 to 460. But I'm not sure what percentage that would be. I think like 70 or 80%.
That's awesome. That is really, really awesome. Over 70% on those options.
Awesome. We also had some nice profit today on PNW. It didn't hit all the targets, but it was a nice little green trade.
Very, very cool. Next up, Shy, walking through your trade today.
So today I traded Tesla and Inphase, but I'll start off with Tesla. So during pre-market, I noticed that Tesla was relatively weak, kept getting rejected from that $200 level. We opened up and immediately just shot straight down. I waited for the first bounce attempt up to that 197 level, and I got short there. We got in those contracts at about $5, and then it rolled down, so I took profit at 525 and 550, right around there. And then we just kind of chopped around all day, so I was very patient with it. And then eventually later on in the afternoon, we got the complete rollover, and we just took profit all along there. We bounced up, touched VWAP, and then my final take was at the end of the day. I think the final take was 582. But those contracts got all the way up past $7, so I was very happy with that trade.
Awesome. And then that went for like 70%, or no, 30%.
Yeah, yes, this one went for like between 30 and 40%. Some members caught up to 50%, depending on the price that they got in at.
You know, I mean, it's a hell of a trade. You know, it's just every time you come on here, it's like this big triple-digit win.
I'm just warming up, baby. I'm just warming up for a
We're all kind of disappointed. We're like, shit, man. You know,
I'm just warming up. It's Monday, Adam. I'm just warming up. and honestly, some of my trades last week, I had some challenging trades last week, so I wanted to come back in today and be focused and get back to like some of the things that I trade. So, you know, Tesla is one of those. And then, of course, when all else fails, I just go back to Inphase. That was a niche trade that I had. I traded Inphase today as well. So I was looking at Inphase, and I had an order to try to catch the long at the previous day's close, but it took off, and I didn't want to chase it up, so I was very patient. But if you're looking at the daily chart, it held at 218 area and shot all the way up to the 50-day if you're looking at the daily chart. So when it did that, I said, well, you know, it was struggling to get over that number one, 230 is a critical level, and you got the 50-day sitting right there as well. So I took the short with a stop just above it. I got in at like 229, stop above the 50-day, and we just kind of rolled it over. So I took profit all along the way, all the way down, and I'm still holding a piece of that one. I like that more technically than I did Tesla for the short. I didn't want to hold too much going into Powell's meeting, but I do like the technical play on Inphase being rejected from that 50-day with the tail up above. So that one also went for, I think we got like 30–40% on that one, but we're still in a piece of it.
Excellent. Awesome. Next up, we have Chris Toner talking through your Bank of America trade.
All right. So Bank of America, this is one that I trade pretty frequently. Started out basically the other night on the live stream, we talked about looking at multiple time frames to kind of verify, give you more confidence in a level that is the correct level. So I started on the hourly chart. On that 1 hour chart, you see just above that 34.50, how that area has acted as a level of resistance over the past couple of weeks. Then going out to the daily chart, that same area is the 50-day moving average right there. This morning, as the stock took off on the 3-minute chart, we just kind of followed the trade line higher for that first half hour right into that 34.50 zone. As we got in there, I came on the mic and said, hey, I got the daily, the hourly lining up, looking for a break below the trade line, and we got it in the next couple of candles there. Got in the 34.50 puts at 37 cents and continued to ride that down, just would follow the trade line lower down to the $34 level, which is around the 200-day moving average. Got out there at 56 for a 50% gain and then held on to a portion of the position. We did get a little bit of a bounce in the afternoon back up to test VWAP, continued to hold resistance, and we closed back below the 200-day. So looking for further downside over the next couple of days, looking to get back towards that 33.50 area for the ultimate target on this trade.
Excellent. All right. So if you made money in chat today, either with Jessica, Shy, or Chris, go ahead and sound off in chat. Will you please let us know how you did? Let us know how you did, man. We love to see it when the whole family wins, when you guys do well in chat. We had 3 really awesome trades of the day today. Let us know. Sound off in chat. Let us know how you did today. David Allensworth said he made money on all 3 trades. Juan Lam says, I made money on AMD. LOL. As long as you're making money. Skippy Jr., 58% with Chris. John Reinberg said, made money with Chris. Bruce Sears made money with Geo, scalping the SPY. 50% on Bank of America, 500 on the SPY. Nice, man. You know, and that's the Tesla shorts were successful for me today. Excellent. SPY and Meta. I mean, as you can see too, a lot of our members in here, they're telling you that they made money today, but a lot of it doesn't have to be just by following the mods, right? Here's one different somebody made. JC said traded Enphase today. Thanks, Shy. You know, but then you have Mac Thompson said made 2 good plays with Disney today. Michael Davis, Enphase with Shy. Made money on Enphase with Shy. Jay Scuba, right? 20% with Jessica, Skippy Jr. So you see that it's a big, wide variety of wins from people. Yeah. So there's literally something for everybody. We do swing trading, day trading, scalping, long-term investing. We trade equities. We trade options. Toner sometimes will swap his ex-wife. I'm just seeing who's paying attention. It's all part of it, right? Jess, you usually give me a bigger smile. You know, it's like reading wallpaper today.
Your dad jokes.
The bottom line is that this is a platform and a community that is geared towards helping you to make money, not just because I said so, but because you're seeing real people in this chat that are members that are saying so. And that says something. That speaks volumes.
And Adam, this doesn't even account for Moment. Moment had a good trade. I mean,
he did.
This is 3 of the mods. You know, we had other people in chat as well that had pretty good trades. Like Geo scalped the SPY, Moment was in a spread, and he had a good trade. So I mean, it was an array of trades today.
Yeah, I mean, it was, I don't know what it is. When Mike's out of town, you guys always or not out of town, but sick or not under the weather or not on. You all always step up in the most incredible fashion, man. I really mean that. Not that you guys are not great every day, but it just seems like, man, you guys just, for whatever the reason, you know, the stars align on those days where he's not here, which is good because this is not, you know, watchmiketrade.com. This is True Trading Group, and everyone's here, and we have a ton of, you know, of mods and different trading styles, and we're just, you know, just really grateful you guys are here, man. So do you guys have anything you want to say or add before you guys sign off?
Made my money. Now I got to go get my kids.
Hey, you know, it's Monday. You know, we're just warming up. It's gonna be a lot of volatility during the week. So, you know, if you want to, you know, this is the perfect week to join when you got Powell speaking, you got a lot of economic data coming out, and we're gonna all be here to kind of walk you all through it and give you our ideas and find some good trade setups. So I hope you all enjoyed the trading with us. And if you just on here and you're looking like, oh man, I could have been in that. Yeah, you should be in that. You could be in the next one. Sign up.
Yeah, you should be.
And we'll be in Miami trading together on
We'll be in Miami trading together
Thursday. Woo!
Nice. It's gonna be a lot of fun.